Understanding natural selection, an essential concept. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and significant topic in biology: natural selection. This concept is not only central to understanding how species evolve over time, but it's also a wonderful example of how specific phrases can carry a lot of meaning in English. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Natural selection is a fundamental principle in biology, first introduced by Charles Darwin. It explains how species evolve and adapt over generations. The phrase consists of two words: natural, which means something that occurs in nature, without human intervention, and selection, which implies a process of choosing or preferring something over others. When combined, these words describe a process where environmental factors select certain traits in organisms that are more advantageous for survival and reproduction. Over time, these traits become more common in the population. To understand natural selection better, let's look at some examples. A classic example is the peppered moth in England. During the Industrial Revolution, soot from factories darkened the trees. Moths with darker wings were less visible to predators on these trees, leading to their increased survival and reproduction. Over time, the moth population shifted from being mostly light-colored to predominantly dark-colored. This change was not a conscious choice by the moths but a result of natural selection favoring the trait that provided a survival advantage. A common misconception about natural selection is that it's a purposeful or intentional process. However, it's important to understand that it's a natural and unplanned process. Organisms don't choose to adapt. Rather, those with traits that happen to be advantageous in their environment are more likely to survive and pass on these traits to their offspring. Over time, this leads to changes in the species. I hope this video has shed light on the fascinating concept of natural selection. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also deepens your insight into how our natural world functions. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of the English language with us.